Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall WooCommerce plugin affecting LinkedIn share previews, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the WooCommerce plugin affecting LinkedIn share previews, begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, locate and click on Plugins. In the Plugins page, scroll down to find the WooCommerce plugin. Once you find it, click on the Deactivate option directly below the WooCommerce name. This action will disable the plugin without permanently removing it from your site. After deactivation, you will see the option to delete under the WooCommerce plugin. Click on Delete to remove the plugin entirely from your WordPress installation. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Click Yes to confirm that you want to uninstall WooCommerce. After the uninstallation process is complete, you may want to clear your website's cache. If you have a caching plugin installed, navigate to its settings and choose the option to clear the cache. Next, it's a good idea to check your LinkedIn share previews. Visit LinkedIn and share a link from your site to confirm that the previews display correctly. If the previews are still not showing as expected, consider troubleshooting by using LinkedIn's Post Inspector tool. This tool will help you refresh the cached information LinkedIn has for your URL. Simply enter your website link into the Post Inspector and click Inspect. If necessary, make adjustments to your website's open graph tags to ensure optimal sharing. Once you've made any necessary changes, try sharing your link on LinkedIn again to verify the results. You've now successfully uninstalled the WooCommerce plugin and resolved the LinkedIn share preview issue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.